In this video, I'm going to show you a real common reason why breakers pop and how to fix the problem. If you take a look at this thermal image, you can see there are two very hot breakers. What happens is when you put a heavy load on a breaker, the power going through the breaker gets hot, and so does that screw that holds the wire on. That screw heats up, it cools down. It heats up, it cools down. With a screwdriver, look how loose that screw is. Now just a note, all the power in this box is turned off. Now with a screw that loose, how's power supposed to get through? With this loose connection, it's just going to pop the breaker. And you don't need a fancy camera like this to see it. If you have a non-contact thermometer, you can use one of those as well. It's just handy to see the picture of it heating up. So I'll go through the process on how to fix a breaker that pops like this. First of all, if you're not comfortable with electric, don't do this. There's a lot of power in these boxes and you can get hurt really bad or worse. So we need to gain access to that loose screw that's holding on the hot wire. The wire that goes into the breaker. It'll either be black or red. And again, there's no power going into this box. This is a branch box, and I turned off the power from another box. I'll take a screwdriver and just turn it, and sure enough, it's loose. Now while I'm in here, I'll go ahead and turn all the other ones and just make sure they're all tight. Now I can put the cover back on, turn the power back on, and then we're ready to go. So next time your breaker pops and you didn't change anything with your electric, this might be your problem. Having that screw loosen up because of the heat and cold is a lot more common than you might think. Well, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.